Look at the wind! O's! Yeah, we need a new location. Hi, this is Matthew Braddock reporting in Miami, Florida. The recent hurricane named Jeffrey is coming in from the south. Now, for further analysis, we're going to go to our specialist in hurricanes, Aaron Short. So, now you all at home are wondering, how has hurricane developed into a tropical storm? Well, three main factors contributed to this. One, the ocean water warmed up and the surface to heat the air over top of the ocean. Two, the atmospheric moisture from the sea must combine with the heat energy to propel the wind in an upward spiraling direction. And three, a wind pattern must be near the ocean surface to spiral air inwards, forming a cyclone. This allows air to warm further and heat faster. So the winds at the higher levels are relatively light, so the structure will remain intact and grow stronger. But now, back to you, Matt Ravdaz.
Thanks, Aaron.
Now for some graphics and photos from our viewers.
So we start off and we have a large body of water such as an ocean. Now it will be a bit darker, more like this. And now the ocean water temperature is at least 27 degrees Celsius. This warm ocean will cause heat and moisture to rise upward due to the low pressure system. This is because the low pressure system has less molecules, allowing air to move easier. As this air rises, it cools and condenses, causing precipitation and the foundation of a hurricane. As the warm air continues to rise, new warm air comes to take its place, creating a cycle, and winds coming from opposite directions will only strengthen the hurricane.
I'm here at the house of one of the survivors of the hurricane, Mohammed Japanwala. So, I know such a devastating event is hard to prepare for. What kind of things did you do?
A few things that we had to do, or we had to make sure all the windows were covered up, get those extra necessities like food and water, because we knew it was going to be a long road. We also had to make sure that there was food for us to get on top of the houses, make sure that everything was secure. And yeah.
So what would you say the most deadliest part of the storm was for your city?
Well, I guess it had to be the storm surge. We were worried about it coming in.
Oh, well, thank you, Mohammed.
Flooding is a major effect of hurricanes on the environment because when there is a hurricane, it carries so much moisture that the clouds of the hurricane get full very fast, and which causes horrible downpours. Downpours are so powerful they can ruin dozens of houses and other buildings at one time. These downpours turn into floods. The loss of power and phone service is another annoying and sometimes dangerous effect of hurricanes. One effect of hurricanes on the environment is they cause erosion. When the hurricane comes, it causes water to rise and also to make huge waves. The waves in high water level, also known as a storm surge, cause erosion. The erosion may destroy buildings by pulling the sand from underneath the building. The negative aspects that can cause harm to our health is contamination in the water supply. If the hurricane destroys anything holding water, if objects are thrown into the water by forceful winds of the hurricane. Another thing that can be hazardous to our health because of the existence of hurricanes is when destruction occurs, there are a significant amount of residue left behind. If waste is in the water, then someone will eventually try to drink it, whether it was an animal or human, and illness will take effect.
Oh, the hurricane's coming.
I was there. It was crazy. People were hiding. There's people that were just trying to get up off the ground. There was people, they were holding on for their life. There was trees blowing. And there was even people blowing away. It was crazy.
Thanks.